Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is super special for me because my baby is turning 1 in a couple of days. I am so excited. It feels like yesterday when I brought her home from the hospital, and now she's almost turning 1. So in this video, I'm going to be getting ready for her photo shoot and mine as well. So let's just get right into it. So firstly, I've primed my face already, so let's get right into it. I don't know whether it's just me. I don't know why. Sometimes I just keep concealing my eyebrows. But let me see if I'm going to do that today. So I'll be using this Best Blend Forever Makeup by Almi. I'm going to go in with my blush. So I'll be going in with this powder. So I'm not actually doing things in order. I'm doing it as it's entering my head. I'm not doing them in order. So I don't know where my beauty blenders are. No, actually, it's a lie. I do know where they are, but they are dirty. They are dirty. So I'm just going to use this as a beauty blender and then see if it's going to work. I'm just going to use this. I'm just going to use this to just give it a little dark whatever. So I'm not going over that. I'm all done. But it might seem like I put a lot of product, but I didn't put a lot of product on my face at the same time. So I just wanted something really still subtle and something chic as well, something that would really pop out in the photograph that we're about to take. But yeah, it's still simple to me. It's still a bit simple. It's still a bit simple in my opinion. In my previous video, I did a tutorial on how to do this hair. So I'm just going to touch up this hair and then get right back. I went ahead and I fixed press-ons. The dress is everything. The details of this dress is, I got it from Shein. I'm going to be leaving the link down in the description. So if you want to check it out, it's there. It's very affordable, extremely affordable. And the details of this dress is, so now to the photo shoot.